new day. Time to play. Let's go explore. Yay, a new day. Time to play. Let's go explore.
What a beautiful day for an adventure. I wonder what magical things I'll find. Wow, so many butterflies! This is magical! I love this forest! For a walk. The butterflies are so playful today. I wonder what else I'll find. What a beautiful day in the forest. These butterflies are so magical.
Come build with me. Okay, this will be fun. Yeah.
What a beautiful morning. Time to get up and explore. The day is full of adventure. All right, team, let's gather this grain. To the doorway, everyone. Friends, the time has come for our grand adventure. Follow me to the fields. Home sweet home! I love you all!